Good afternoon, dear students. So today we will see again addition. Okay, so it is of exercise 3 and page number is 24. Okay, so how we will do it? 1 3 2 3 4 9 6 8 we will do. So let us add 8 plus 3 is equals 11. So let us write 11 here. 1 will come here, this 1 will go here. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is equals 3, 3 plus 6 is equals 9. Then 3 plus 9 is equals how much? It is 12. So 12 I will write here. This 2 will come here and this 1 will go here. So that means it is totally how much? 1 plus 1 is equals 2, 2 plus 4 is equals 6. That means 6291 is your answer. It is the total answer. So now I will do one more of here. First, this is the same pattern you'll have to do. So we will do the next one. Let's see what it has given in the next. So it will be of number h. All are the same, only you'll have to practice. That is it. You just need to practice it. So number 8 is 5184. 5184. 4365. 4365. Okay, so we will add this. So now 5 plus 4 is equals 9. 8 plus 6 is equals 14. So this 4 will come here. This 1 will come here. So 1 plus 1 is equals 2. 2 plus 3 is equals 5. Now 4 plus 5 is equals 9. So this is all. This is also very simple. So all the maths you do at your home, on your own, and I suppose you have already understood all these things. Now we will see the other things. Okay, that is number I will show you what it is given. It is given 2559 people visited the trade fair in Delhi on Saturday. Okay, and 3405 people visited on Sunday. How many people visited the trade fair in the 2 days? That means 2 different days were there. So totally first day plus second day, if we add, so total number of people visited will come out. So first you write here, first day visited equals how much? 2559. Right here 2559. Next 3405 people visited on Sunday. This was not first day, this was Saturday. Saturday visited this much people. Sunday visited how much? 3405. 3405. Okay, so we'll have to add. So Sunday plus Saturday plus Sunday. Visited equals how much? Totally we'll have to add here. So 5 plus 9 is equal how much? It is 14. So this 4 will come here, 1 will go here. So 5 plus 1 is equal 6. 6 plus 0 is equals 6. 5 plus 4 is equals 9. Then 3 plus 2 is equals 5. So 5964. That means Saturday plus Sunday visited 5964. So you'll have to write in answer, people visited the trade fair in the 2 days. How many people? So you'll have to write 5964 people visited trade fair in 2 days. So this is your answer. Okay, you'll have to write the answer in this way. I suppose you have already understood this thing. Okay, the same way you'll have to do the next one also. So next one is what? Next one, it is given in the train there are 1570 first class seats and 2550 second class seats. Okay, there are two different seats. One is first class, the other one is the second class. How many people can sit in the train? That means if we do add first class seats and 2550 means second class seats, we can take out the total number of people can sit. So this one you do on your own at home. Okay. So now we will do exercise 4 at here. Exercise 4. So I will do number A, 2143, 2143, 1541, 1541, 2014, 2014. This you need to do add. How we will do? Okay, this is also in the same manner only. You will have to do. Instead of 2 rows, here are 3 rows. Okay. So we will do 3 plus 1 is equals 4, 4 plus 4 is equals 8. 4 plus 4 is equals 8, plus 1 is equals 9. 5 plus 1 is equals 6, 6 plus 0 is equals 6 only. 2 plus 1 is equals 3, 3 plus 2 is equals 5. So this is your answer. Okay. Same way we will have to do the other maths also. Okay. So one is this, the other one I will show you, that is number H. The rest you'll have to do at your home by means on your own. 3600, 3600, then 994, 994, then is 2222, 2222. We'll have to add all. So how much it is? 0 plus 4 is equals 4, 4 plus 2 is equals 6. 0 plus 9 equals 9, 9 plus 2 is equals 11. So I will write here 11 like this. Okay. So this 1, 9 plus 2 is equals 11. So 1 will come here and this 1 will go here. Okay. So 6 plus 1 is equals 7. 7 plus 9 is equals 16. 16 plus 2 is equals 18. 8. So we can write 18 here. This 8 has come here. This 1 will go here. So we will add 3 plus 1 is equals 4. Here is nothing. So 4 plus 2 is equals 6. So this is your answer. Okay, like this way you have to do the other maths. But my point, it is very simple. Do in the same manner that I have shown you now. Okay. Next is properties of addition. Two numbers can be added in any order. There some remains the same. Some remains the same. Means here in the properties of addition, what it has given? Properties of addition in the sense. Okay, I will show the first example. 3043 man and 2652 women. Add up to 5695 people. So 2652 women and 3043 man also add up to 5695 people. It is same. Okay, that means I will write here 3043 2652. This is one. The other one will be 2652 3043. Here you look, you have to notice one thing, that properties of addition in the sense, if we add this 2, if we add this 2, it is same only. Okay, there is this 3043 plus 2652 will give how much? 3 plus 2 is equals 5. 5 plus 4 it will give 9. 6 plus 0 is equals 6. 3 plus 2 is equals 5. Okay. Now this 3043 has come here and 2652 has gone there. So if we add this thing, it will give us the same result. So 3 plus 2 is equals 5. 5 plus 4 is equals 9. 6 plus 0 is equals 6. And 3 plus 2 is equals 5. So this one and this one, both are the same answer. Okay. Either you do right below this number or up of this number. If we add, it will be the same only. So this is your properties of addition. Understood? So properties of addition. So properties of addition, and this is just we will change the place and after that we will add. So if we do that one, the answer will be the same. It is not going to change anything. Okay. So in exercise it has given use the properties of addition to add. That means 4603 plus 2 112 then dash plus 403. Okay. In exercise 5, if we see exercise 5. Okay, in exercise 5, if we see, it is what? 4 number A, 4603 03 plus 2112 2 equals dash, after that 4603. 4603. What we will do? We'll have to add these two, and here we will write 2112. This one also we'll have to add. So if we add these two, it will give us the same result. So let us write 4603 2112. Next 2112 4603. What will give? It will give us the same answer if we add. Just the place has been changed. No other thing. Sum will be the same. Result will be same for the both addition. 3 plus 2 is equals 5. 0 plus 1 is equals 1. 6 plus 1 is equals 7. 4 plus 2 is equals 6. Same way, 3 plus 2 is equals 5. 1 plus 0 is equals 1. 6 plus 1 is equals 7. 4 plus 2 is equals 6. 6715, 6715. So this is also same. This is also same. So you'll have to do the maths in the same manner. Okay. So okay. So the rest of the things you'll have to do on your own. Okay. The rest of the thing you'll have to do on your own at your home. So do practice all this maths. Okay. If you come across with any kind of problem, please give me a call. I'll help you out in that. Okay. So do practice well, and you will have your exam also ahead. Okay. Prepare well and study well. Okay.